Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to configure mobile responsive notification pop-ups using Notification X. Make sure you have installed and activated both the free and pro versions of the Notification X plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Notification X dashboard and click on Add New button to create a new notification. Give a title to your new notification, then select the notification type and source from the available options and click on the Next button. In the Design section, click on For Mobile tab. Select a mobile responsive theme and click on Next button to move to the Content section. Here, after choosing a mobile theme, add your content and adjust how you want to show notifications and click on Next button. In Display settings, click the checkbox to show a default image and choose one from options instead of a custom uploaded image. Then in the Visibility section, choose where to show and whom to display your created notification and click on the Next button to go Customize tab. Here, customize your notification appearance, like position, visibility, timing and more, according to your need. And finally hit the Publish button to make your notification live. Let's have a look at what your notification mobile responsive theme would look like on smaller devices. This is how you can easily configure mobile responsive themes in Notification with Notification X. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one.